we have to discharge. Last 100 years, 36 lakh cusics of water has come. That means one day discharge of water is 360 TMC of water. For Andhra Pradesh, double TMC, that means 360 to 360, 720, that is enough for all irrigation. That is the source of this project. Anybody here, even small boy, without knowing governance, there is a contractor, there is an engineer. There is a rainy season is coming. Monsoon is setting. Elections are over in April or May. June, July, rains will start, August. Heavy rains will come in September. He has to close that gap, that is Coffer Dam. Without knowing fundamentals, he changed the contractor, he changed the officers. Government of India warned, PPA objected on record, on file, on minutes. This adamant behavior. He changed everything, he called tenders, he sent for ratification. You can imagine. It is a central project. At that time, Pangaria gave this project to the state because central projects are all projects, it took so much of time. State can complete record time because it is a state interest. It is meant for one state. Because of the damage, 2 years they are unable to understand what happened. If you can go through that statement, they used to give every day 2020 will complete, 2021, 2024, what is diaphragm wall, where is diaphragm wall? I am unable to see one irrigation minister without knowing diaphragm wall. All projects will have diaphragm walls. These are all the stories we heard. This is very pathetic condition for democracy. Even politicians who may not know things, okay, well, you are only a policy maker. Some people may not have that policy or vision also, that is a different issue. But you have to respect professionals, officers, listen to them, hear to them. You may not do justice. You should not do injustice. That is exactly that was happened at that time. Democracy paid heavy price, not ordinary price. But God is great. There is destiny. At least we are able to set right now. Otherwise, irreparable damage forever. Today also, that person who was at the helm of affairs, they misused the taxpayers' money. Whose money is this? We are the custodians of taxpayers' money. It is not our kingdom, or your own way you cannot do it. That is what I want to emphasize here. I want to educate people. అన్నింటికి పరిష్కార మార్గం ప్రజల్లో చైతన్యం. ఇది ఒక కేస్ స్టడీ కింద ప్రతి ఒక్కరు ఆలోచించాల్సిన అవసరం ఉంది. ఒక వ్యక్తి యొక్క గర్వంతో ఎంత నష్టం జరుగుతుందో అర్థం చేసుకుంటే భవిష్యత్తులో ఇలాంటి వ్యక్తులు రాజకీయాల్లో ఉండడానికి అర్హతే లేదు. ఇలాంటి వ్యక్తులకి ఐఎమ్ వెరీ క్లియర్. మామూలుగా ఏదో ఎమ్మెల్యే కూడా కాదు, ఎక్కడా ఉండడానికి అర్హత లేని వ్యక్తులు వీళ్ళందరూ. వీళ్ళని పట్టుకొని కొంతమంది రౌడీలు వచ్చేసి ఇష్టానుసారంగా మేము నేరాలు చేస్తాం, ఘోరాలు